Welcome to our exploration of the avian world, a symphony of colors, songs, and behaviors as diverse as the habitats they grace. From the vibrant hues of a robin's breast to the powerful cry of an eagle soaring high above, the world of birds offers a captivating glimpse into the wonders of nature. In this journey, we venture into the heart of the English countryside, where we'll encounter a captivating array of bird species. Our focus will be on identifying these feathered wonders and familiarizing ourselves with their unique calls that punctuate the air. So, prepare to be captivated by the beauty and intrigue of our feathered friends as we embark on this enlightening expedition into their world.
Amidst the dappled sunlight, we encounter the robin, a small bird with a powerful presence. Don't be fooled by its size. This little creature fiercely defends its territory. Recognizable by its bright orange breast, the robin adds a splash of color to its woodland home. Common in gardens and parks, their cheerful song heralds spring. Listen to the robin's melodious call, a fluting warble that ripples through the air.
Our next encounter brings us face to face with the ubiquitous sparrow, a bird so common that it's often overlooked. But take a moment to observe these adaptable creatures, and you'll discover a world of fascinating behaviors. Sparrows are small, plump birds with brown and gray plumage, perfectly camouflaged against the backdrop of their urban and suburban haunts. They are highly social birds, often seen flitting about in bustling flocks. Listen to the cacophony of chirps and tweets that announce their presence. This constant communication is essential for maintaining social cohesion within the flock, alerting each other to potential threats and food sources. Despite their small size, sparrows are bold and resourceful birds, quick to adapt to changing environments. They are a testament to the resilience of nature, thriving even in the most human-dominated landscapes. So the next time you see a flock of sparrows, take a moment to appreciate their tenacity and their vital role in the urban ecosystem.
Look, high up in the canopy, a flash of brilliant blue catches the eye. It's a blue jay, a striking bird with a personality as bold as its plumage. With its bright blue back, white underparts, and black necklace, the blue jay is a vision of beauty. Its most distinctive feature, however, is the crest atop its head, which it raises and lowers to communicate with other jays. Listen to the blue jay's call, a loud raucous shriek that echoes through the forest. It's a sound that can be heard from afar, a clear indication of the bird's presence. Blue jays are highly intelligent birds, known for their ability to mimic the calls of other birds, including hawks and owls. This mimicry serves a variety of purposes, from deterring predators to attracting mates. As we marvel at the blue jay's beauty and intelligence, let us appreciate the vital role it plays in maintaining the health of our forests.
As the snow falls softly, a splash of vibrant red catches our attention. It's a male cardinal, radiating warmth on the coldest winter days, unmistakable with its scarlet plumage, black mask, and crest. Listen to its song, a clear melody in the silent winter air, a bright contrast to the stark landscape brightening our winter days.
Fluttering from flower to flower, a burst of sunshine catches our eye. It's a goldfinch, a small bird with plumage as bright and cheerful as its namesake. The male goldfinch is a vision of brilliance with its bright yellow body, black wings marked with white bars, and black cap. The female, while more subdued in color, is still a beautiful bird with her olive-brown back and yellowish underparts. Listen to the goldfinch's song, a sweet, canary-like warble that fills the air with cheer. It's a sound that evokes feelings of joy and contentment, a reminder of the simple pleasures of nature. Goldfinches are late nesters, waiting until late summer to build their nests when thistle and other seed-bearing plants have gone to seed. This ensures a plentiful food supply for their young. As we watch the goldfinch flit about, let us appreciate its beauty and the vital role it plays in pollinating our flowers and dispersing seeds.
Deep within the forest, a rhythmic drumming sound echoes through the trees. It's the sound of a woodpecker, a bird perfectly adapted for a life spent foraging for insects in dead wood. Woodpeckers are easily recognizable by their strong chisel-like beaks, which they use to drill into trees in search of insects. They also have stiff tail feathers, which they use for support as they hammer away at the bark. Listen to the woodpecker's drumming. a rapid-fire tattoo that can be heard from quite a distance. This drumming serves a variety of purposes, from attracting mates to excavating nest cavities. Different species of woodpeckers have different drumming patterns, allowing birds to recognize their own kind. The downy woodpecker, for example, has a slower, more deliberate drumming pattern than the hairy woodpecker. As we listen to the woodpecker's drumming, let us appreciate the vital role it plays in maintaining the health of our forests by controlling insect populations.
As darkness descends and the world sleeps, a silent hunter takes to the skies. It's an owl, a bird of prey perfectly adapted for a life lived in low light. Owls are easily recognizable by their large heads, forward-facing eyes, and hooked beaks. They also have soft, fluffy feathers that allow them to fly silently, making them incredibly efficient hunters. Listen closely, and you might hear the owl's haunting call, a low hoot that echoes through the night. Owls use a variety of calls to communicate with each other, including hoots, screeches, and whistles. Owls are carnivorous birds, feeding primarily on small mammals, such as mice and voles. They play a vital role in controlling rodent populations, helping to keep ecosystems in balance. As we marvel at the owl's silent grace and predatory prowess, let us appreciate the vital role it plays in maintaining the health of our ecosystems.
Hovering effortlessly in midair, a blur of iridescent color catches our eye. It's a hummingbird, a tiny dynamo of the air with a metabolism as fast as its wings. Hummingbirds are the smallest of all birds, with some species measuring just a few inches long. They are easily recognizable by their long, slender beaks, which they use to extract nectar from flowers. Listen to the hummingbird's wings, a blur of motion that produces a faint humming sound. Hummingbirds are the only birds that can fly backwards, and they can hover in midair with incredible precision. Hummingbirds are nectarivores, meaning they feed primarily on the sugary nectar produced by flowers. They play a vital role in pollinating plants, transferring pollen from flower to flower as they feed. As we watch the hummingbird flit about, let us appreciate its beauty, agility, and the vital role it plays in maintaining the health of our ecosystems.
Often seen as a harbinger of ill omen, the crow is a bird that has long been misunderstood. But beneath its dark exterior lies a highly intelligent creature with a complex social life. Crows are large, black birds with glossy plumage. They are highly adaptable birds, found in a variety of habitats, from forests to cities. Listen to the crow's call, a harsh caw that can be heard from afar. Crows are highly vocal birds, using a variety of calls to communicate with each other. Crows are omnivorous birds, meaning they eat a wide variety of foods, including insects, fruits, seeds, and carrion. They are highly intelligent birds, known for their problem-solving abilities and their ability to use tools. As we observe the crow's intelligence and adaptability, let us appreciate the vital role it plays in our ecosystems, even if its reputation precedes it. Soaring high above the landscape, a majestic ruler of the skies commands our attention. It's an eagle, a bird of prey at the pinnacle of the avian world. Eagles are large, powerful birds with heavy heads and beaks and sharp talons. They have incredible eyesight, allowing them to spot prey from great distances. Listen to the eagle's cry, a piercing shriek that echoes through the mountains. Eagles use a variety of calls to communicate with each other, including shrieks, whistles, and chirps. Eagles are carnivorous birds, feeding primarily on fish, small mammals, and other birds. They are apex predators, meaning they are at the top of the food chain. As we marvel at the eagle's power and grace, let us appreciate the vital role it plays in maintaining the health of our ecosystems.
As our journey through the world of English bird species comes to an end, we hope you've gained a newfound appreciation for these feathered wonders. From the cheerful song of the robin to the majestic flight of the eagle, each bird plays a vital role in the delicate balance of nature. Thank you for joining us on this exploration of the avian world. We encourage you to continue your own discoveries by venturing out into nature and observing the birds around you. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more captivating insights into the animal kingdom. And be sure to check out our related videos for more in-depth explorations of specific bird species and their fascinating behaviors. Until next time, happy birding.